I know that you might have been tired by changing the font, by not knowing the suitable font that will be used in the skill bar and the grid. In this today's tutorial, I will share you a secret of font that you can apply to change any kind of English font to Nepali font in QGIS. At the end of this tutorial, you are going to learn how to add Nepali text in QGIS map layout. Also, you will also learn how you can customize font and how you can add new fonts in QGIS in any other languages. This is something of basic kind of map that you are going to make after the end of this tutorial. And if you want to convert into Nepali, then what you need to do is that you need to copy that Nepali text and just you go to this option and just paste it there. And regarding font, any kind of font that is in English, any kind of English font will convert this kind of thing into something Nepali language. But if you want some more specific font, then you want to make the font more beautiful and you want to use a specific kind of font, then you have to install it. And another thing is for this kind of font, for scale bar and for grid, this English version font are not going to help you. You need to install that other kind of font. So in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can install those font and use it in Nepali language. It's not for only Nepali language, it can be applied for any other kind of like Hindi and other kind of language as well, if you can install those fonts. So for that, what you just go to Google and just type your install Kalimati font. And when you do that, you will just get a list of options and you can choose anyone. Just go there and you just can see Kalimati regular also, and you also may have other kind of options like regular. You just go there and you just simply download font, and you just can go to downloads and you just can extract it. And what you do is that you just go there and just this OTF file, just double left click it and just go here and just install it. And now this has been installed successfully. So the Kalimati font has been installed. You can just now go here and you can just change it. Now if you go to font and just start typing Kalimati, and you can see here, just enter it and your all text will be converted into English into Nepali. Actually, we also need to check this attribute table. Just let's check this attribute table. The field we have given here is wa-ne, and we have chosen that value. And actually, this all thing were in English, but this Kalimati font has converted them into Nepali language. So this was the first thing. And another thing that you can go to. What you need to remember is that this Kalimati font will only change the numbers, English numbers into Nepali. Like you can see in this attribute table, these were the English numbers, and it has converted, Kalimati font has converted it into Nepali language. But it will surprise you, it is not going to convert this text, this English text into Nepali, right? Even if you choose here, by default the font is, you can see here, it's Arial. If you choose Kalimati, it's not going to change it. What you need to do is that you need a Nepali text. Like I had already generated this. You can use Google input tools or other, there are lots of options to get this Nepali text. You simply copy it. What you do is you just go to this dialog box, just paste it, Ctrl V, and then now if you use this Nepali font, this Kalimati, then it will look. You can see by default I have got Kalimati. If you don't get here, just you go there and just you get the Kalimati font. Suppose it was in other kind of Arial font, then it would have been look like this, right? And if you choose other kind of font also, like other English font, more or less it will appear like the same. But if you choose this Kalimati, and actually it will look like Kalimati, and it looks more beautiful than by default English font. And now we'll go to this skill bar. Like I had told you previously, Kalimati font actually converts these numbers into Nepali, English numbers into Nepali. Just what you do is you just go to here, display, and just you go to font, and you just now font is in Arial. I just need to type here Kalimati, and just I will be entering it. And now you can see here I have got my text in Nepali language, and for what you can do this kilometer, it's written in English km. I am just going to change it into kilometer into Nepali. I have used here Google input tool, so I'm just going to go this Google input tool and just write and just I will be copying it, and just I will be going to go here label, just paste it. Now you can see it, it's in kilometer, right? And I'm also planning to prepare another part of this video of using other kind of customized Nepali fonts, and if you want that part of tutorial, and do comment here saying part 2, we need part 2. This is the actual way how you can apply Nepali fonts in QGIS layout and prepare aesthetic map in Nepali language. I would also like to suggest that you can apply the same concept for grid. The grid coordinates, if you make just give it a Kalimati font, then it will be automatically converted into Nepali. And there may be other kind of fonts like Kalimati that converts automatically these English numbers into Nepali that you can find yourself. So thank you viewers for watching this tutorial. I hope that this tutorial was a bit of useful to you.